everybody. Hi, how are you this evening? My name is Jai Kumar Basin and I am a chef. I am a chef by profession. So today, since we have been invited by Amul and today is World Milk Day, so we have decided something to do with the milk today, which is going to be pure vegetarian. So let's come here and see what we have here today corrected. So here we will start with a Malai Kofta, Punjabi style Malai Kofta. So the Malai Kofta is basically two different kinds served. One is in the white gravy and another one is in the red gravy. So the Punjabis, they have a culture of rich food. They love to have rich food. So they love little bit spicy food and in the red gravy. So we are going to do, since we are doing a Punjabi style Malai Kofta, so we will be doing in the red gravy today. So what we have here today is onion, tomatoes, some cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, ginger, you have green chili, chopped garlic, cloves, small cardamom, the green cardamom, some roasted cumin powder, some whole cumin, some garam masala right over here. Then you have some cornstarch, which is going to do the binding agent for the kofta. Some all-purpose flour, that is HNR flour. Some red chili powder. Of course, the salt as a seasoning. Then we also have cashew nuts. We have pistachio. We have raisins. Then the boiled eggs. Again, the boiled eggs is going to give the binding agent to the cake. We also have the kasturi methi to finish with. Some cilantro, which is green coriander called in India, some honey and heavy cream. We also are going to use some of the Amul products. So we have Amul Paneer over here, which we are going to use. We have Amul milk, which we have used already to make the some of the paneer. We have Amul butter and Amul pure desi ghee. So Amul has a lot of products in India. These are only very few of them. So to start with, what we have done here already for you guys. So we will grate the potatoes. Once you are boiling the potatoes, please make sure you do not overboil the potatoes. And as soon as the potatoes are boiled, you take the potatoes out from the water. Otherwise, the potatoes have a tendency to absorb all the water. And then we are going to use some of the paneer. So we are going to use Amul paneer here. Okay. You can use the fresh paneer also. The fresh paneer will actually be almost the same taste. You just crumble the cottage cheese, which is Amul paneer. The ratio what you have to take is, what I take for it is 60 to 65% of cottage cheese, that is paneer, and 30 to 35% of potatoes. Potatoes we are going to use only as a binding agent. Now we are going to put a little bit, just a little bit of roasted cumin powder. Two tablespoons or 2.5 tablespoons of flour. We are going to use some green chilies in it. Let's chop green chilies and some chopped cilantro. And once we make this mixture ready, then we are going to turn this mixture into nice balls. Okay. So you see now I have already done this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make nice balls of it. And to make the balls, we will take the help of the corn flour. We'll sprinkle a little bit of corn flour here. And in these balls, whenever we make the balls, we can do like this. So rub a little bit. And we are going to stuff now a little bit of pistachio, a little bit of raisins, and a little bit of cashew nuts. You make even size balls You pat it with your hand with a little bit of corn flour. Dust the balls in the corn flour. Make a hole. Take 2 pieces of raisins, a pistachio, and a cashew nut. What we have done, we have taken the boiled potatoes, fresh potatoes we have boiled. We have de-skinned the potatoes. We have pork mashed the potatoes. Then we have taken 60% of fresh cottage cheese, that is paneer. What we have used is Amul paneer today. And we have grated both of them. We have made a mixture, adding a little bit of red chili powder, cumin powder, roasted cumin powder, fresh roasted cumin powder, some cashew nuts, some cilantro, some green chili, and we are going to bind it with the corn flour. During this lockdown period, since most of the restaurants are closed, most of the hotels are closed, so what we are going to try to do is teach you guys how in the hotel they make the malai kofta. Now when we are talking about Punjabi style, whenever Punjabis go in a hotel or a restaurant, there are only 3 things they are looking for. One is dal makhani, one is malai kofta, and another one is paneer makhani. So these are the 3 things which are being used. Since the paneer makhani has been shown already, so that is why we have chosen today malai kofta. So normally when you go in a hotel or a restaurant and you order a malai kofta, now this is going to be melt in your mouth. Okay, here we go. So what we have done, we have already made the kofta balls, and now we are going to start with the gravy for the malai kofta. My name is Jay Kumar Bhasin and I am a chef by profession. I have almost 36 years of experience, out of which last 24 years I am in the US working for the cruise ships. Koftas are ready. Let's start with the gravy now. And for the kofta, we are going to use some garlic, some ginger, some green chili, some onions, tomatoes. This one we don't need anymore. Some cinnamon sticks, bay leaf. Now whenever I go and I'm in the States, this is the butter I miss. Amul butter. Since my childhood I have been using this butter, and since this butter has salt, so this very tasty. I have already added the tomatoes. Now since we are going to blend this gravy, so I have not really fine chopped the tomatoes. मैंने ये प्याज को ज़्यादा बारीक चॉप नहीं किया है क्योंकि इसको हम blend करेंगे. We're going to add a little bit of ginger, not too much. Green chili for sure. A few of I can feel that aroma coming out of ginger, garlic, not too much, a few. We don't add the garlic in the beginning because if you add the garlic in the beginning, the garlic have a tendency to burn. Now we are going to add some of our cashew nuts over here. We're going to add some tomatoes. Now tomatoes have to be more than the onions. Remember that. आप एक तेज पत्ता डाल सकते हैं इसमें और एक सिनेमन स्टिक. अब जब हम ब्लेंड करेंगे तो प्लीज सिनेमन स्टिक और तेज पत्ते को आप निकाल दीजिए. Now I can feel the aroma. Can you please bring the camera closer so the people can see? Now once your onions are transparent, जैसे ही आपके अनियन थोड़े बहुत सॉटे हो जाए, उसका कलर आ जाए, टमाटो थोड़ा घुल मिल जाए उसमें, तो हम इसको ब्लेंड कर लेंगे. थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्ची डालेंगे क्योंकि हम आज पंजाबी डिश बनाने जा रहे हैं, तो लाल मिर्ची बहुत ज़रूरी है. थोड़ा नमक डाल देंगे स्वाद के अनुसार, एज पर द टेस्ट, लिटिल बिट ऑफ सॉल्ट, सम गरम मसाला and some coriander seeds. add some cream in this. The gravy is going to be rich because of the onion, tomato, cashew nut and heavy cream and butter. So you can cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. You see a very nice color has already started coming in. A lot of people, they use tomato puree also. Some people also use tomato paste. I don't use, I use fresh tomato. And the tomatoes also what I have used, if you can see, I have used the whole fresh organic tomatoes. भारत में 2 किस्म के टमाटर आते हैं, एक जो लंबे वाले होते हैं उनको हम बम्बईया टमाटर बोलते हैं और एक ये गोल होते हैं। जो गोल टमाटर होते हैं इनमें अपनी ही एक फ्लेवर होता है, अपनी खटास होती है जिसके लिए बहुत फेमस है। और जितनी भी भारतीय सब्जियां बनती हैं उनमें हम प्रेफर करते हैं कि हम गोल टमाटो यूज करें because it's been already cooked and we'll finish it off later. This is vegetable oil, salad oil, all purpose. We have to deep fry, so we have to take plenty of oil. And this is the gravy which came out just now, what we made it, and we are going to finish it after the oil is hot. Now the oil is becoming almost hot. Let's try what we'll do. Since we have done this a little bit earlier, we'll just dust one more time. आप एक एक करके हल्का सा डस्ट करिए कॉर्नस्टार्च को, फ्राई करिए. We have to put more oil. The balls have to dip inside. Just make it nice golden brown balls. आप एक बार ये वाली रेसिपी ट्राई करिएगा. आपको कभी भी बाहर से मलाई कोफ्ता मंगाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, ये हमारी गारंटी है. Once you blend the gravy, जब आप blend करते हैं ग्रेवी को, तो a lot of people they also strain the gravy. ये आपके ऊपर है, आपको जितनी ग्रेवी स्मूथ चाहिए आप स्ट्रेन कर लीजिए वायर स्ट्रेनर से. स्टेनलेस स्टील का वायर स्ट्रेनर यूज करिएगा. देखिएगा कोई भी कोफ्ता बिल्कुल भी फटा नहीं है. जब भी कोफ्ता बनाएं तो कोशिश करिएगा 65 to 70% आप पनीर लीजिएगा और आलू को खाली बाइंडिंग एजेंट की तरह यूज करिए. ये आपके कोफ्ता रेडी हो गए हैं. हमने एक बटर पेपर नीचे लगा दिया है, नैपकिन, जिससे ऑयल सारा उसमें सोक हो जाएगा. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, अभी हमने जो ग्रेवी ब्लेंड की थी, लेट्स स्टार्ट टू फिनिश दैट ग्रेवी. ये हमने ग्रेवी जो ब्लेंड की थी, आप देख सकते हैं कितनी स्मूथ है. You can see how smooth the gravy is. What I have done, you have seen, I have added a very little amount of water. What we will do here is our honey. We are going to add a little bit of honey, some kasturi methi. Now this one is almost ready. Towards the finish, we'll add little bit of cream, cilantro leaves. We will add our koftas in this and we will add the gravy on top. This is how it should go. कभी भी कोफ्ता जो है पैन के अंदर डाल के मत रखिएगा, क्योंकि बहुत ही डेलिकेट होते हैं कोफ्ते और चांसेस होते हैं कि ये टूट जाएं कोफ्ते. ऐसे हल्का सा गार्निश कर देंगे क्रीम से, जरा सा हरा धनिया डाल देंगे. ये हो गया आपका मलाई कोफ्ता तैयार. हमने क्या किया है, हमने ये जीरा पुलाव बनाया है. प्याज काट के सौते करके जीरे के साथ और बासमती राइस यूज़ किया है, जो कि मलाई कोफ्ता के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हम इसको क्या करेंगे, हम इसको डीमोल्ड कर देंगे. आप इसको ऐसे ही रखिए 5 मिनट. अभी ये हमारा मलाई कोफ्ता का पैन है. ये आपकी मलाई कोफ्ते की ग्रेवी हो गई. थोड़ी सी आप क्रीम लीजिएगा, दोबारा से बोल में डालिएगा. अब पंजाबी हैं तो पराठा बनता है, और मलाई कोफ्ता और ये लच्छा पराठा, ये है आपका फुल मलाई कोफ्ता विद लच्छा पराठा एंड जीरा राइस. सो कैसा लगा आपको? आई हैव ट्राइड टू मेक द रेसिपी वेरी सिंपल and I hope everybody will try at home सब लोग एक बार ट्राई जरूर कीजिए, इसमें कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, आपको 5 स्टार जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। लॉकडाउन का पीरियड वैसे भी चल रहा है, आप एक बार इसको घर पे ट्राई जरूर कीजिएगा। अब पंजाबी हैं तो एक बात तो श्योर है कि लस्सी तो बनती है। हमने क्या किया है, हमने अमूल दही लिया है, आप कोई भी दही ले सकते हैं, आप घर में दही बनाइए। रिकॉर्डिंग रात को हो रही है और लस्सी रात को पीनी है। मेरे को रिक्वेस्ट की गई थी क्योंकि आज वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे है, सो लेट्स डू समथिंग विद द अमूल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड द मिल्क। थोड़ा सा पानी डालिएगा, पंजाबी लोग हैं, खाना हम रिच खाते हैं। बर्फ डालिए, थोड़ा सा नमक डालिए स्वाद अनुसार। अब गढ़ भी तो हमने ले ली है। पुराना जमाना होता था तो हम लोग मधानी, देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ वुडन थिंग सिमिलर टू दिस, वी यूज्ड टू यूज इट। आजकल का जमाना है, एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू गो शॉर्टकट्स, सो वी आर यूजिंग अ स्टिक ब्लेंडर एंड यू कैन सी। तो हमारी लस्सी ऑलमोस्ट तैयार हो गई है। हमने ये गिलास लिया है, पंजाबियों के गिलास छोटे नहीं होते हैं, वो हर एक चीज बड़े दिल वाले होते हैं और बड़ा ही गिलास यूज करते हैं। और इन द एंड यू हैव टू यूज योर रोस्टेड जीरा पाउडर। नेवर पुट योर जीरा पाउडर व्हेन यू आर ब्लेंडिंग द लस्सी। आप चाहें स्वाद के लिए थोड़ा सा हरा धनिया सिलांट्रो डाल सकते हैं। तो ये हो गया जी आपका पंजाबी लंच, मलाई कोफ्ता विद लच्छा पराठा, जीरा राइस एंड पंजाबी मसाला लस्सी। So I hope everybody liked it, and one more time thank you Amul, thank you everybody for giving me a chance to show you how easy homemade recipes we can make. Thanks a lot.